Okay, here are the brand new 2011 director suits. Oh, wow. Beautiful, beautiful. Look at that rich purple color. It's a plum color. That is blue. Oh, look at that dress. Isn't that pretty? And a choice of jackets. Look at that cute ruffled jacket to go with the dress. And the pretty scarf. Many, many options. Look at the choice of jewelry or the suggestions. You see that way over there? All those jewelry? Okay. Wow. And suggested shoes. Oh my gosh, look at that. Okay, we have got new products coming out. Look at the new mirrors. Okay, new mirrors. Look at the new disposable tray. It's entirely different. Bigger mirrors, and they stand up by themselves. Okay, and then now we've got new foundations, and there's a foundation brush, there's a foundation primer, and all new colors. There's a new, and there's some new products coming out too. Look at those new nail colors, and some new pencils, eye crayons. Always, always, always a big seller.
Okay. The white one is a pencil that is very, very versatile. First of all, there's people who love shimmer, so you can have it all over your eyelid after using any of the colors, and also would work with any other makeup, so it makes a little bit of a shimmer effect on top of any eye color. Now, for people who don't like that much shimmer on top, you can use it as a highlighter. When you use it as a highlighter, it could be maybe just a little bit in the inner corner of the eye. That especially helps when somebody has tired eyes and has a little bit of irritation or have a little bit of redness. That a little bit of white in that inner corner helps diffuse that, and also the same way you're using probably crystalline, one of our eye colors, on the brow bone as a little bit of a highlighter right here. So those are ways of using the white as a highlighter, just a little bit of shimmer but not too much.
Right. All right, thank you. Okay, look at this darling little gift with purchase. Look at that little bag and these pencils. And then we've got Simplified and Stylish. I don't know what that is.
Without the lint. And all the applicators fit on the bottom. He actually has them on this table.
And that's how they're going to come now?
Mm-hmm. No. This is an addition too. So we have the big compact pro, then we have the normal with the lip. And then this is the new one. See how they have the applicators?
A new compact. Okay, look at this new compact. It's going to hold 3 eyeshadows and a blush, and the applicators are underneath. Is that cute or what? Oh my gosh. Tiny enough to tuck anywhere. Oh boy! And the Star Consultant prizes for this quarter are right here in front of us. Look at that cute little children's furniture set. A beautiful, beautiful table. I'm trying to think, where could I put that? Look at the little lamps. And over here we have a bicycle. Look at that. And you could win this as a Star Consultant. Ooh, look at Le Creuset. Oh, that looks like a really nifty pan. I love to cook. Well, not really, but sometimes I do. Look at the beautiful screen. This is really big. And the fire pit. Ooh, maybe I need a fire pit. This is the 3600 category. More dishes. And oh my gosh, you could decorate your home or your bathroom. Look at that. Oh, isn't that, wow, this stuff is big. Big, 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 big. And I already know that this is something I want in my home. It's going to be beautiful because I've decorated my walls with the Star Consultant prizes I won forever. Oh, and look at this. It's like an earring tree. So many things. Oh, it's beautiful.